So what you think we should head north, Matt? North or south? Gotta call this thing. I think we ought to get north of it. Okay, I think the convoy, just to be safe, ought to head kind of north. Get out of the path of this thing. If you head south, this road goes southwest. If the tornado turns right at all, you guys will be in the path of it. So head north to evacuate. And this thing is wrapped in rain. We're going to go ahead and turn around and face north. We're going to go ahead and turn around and face north. I'm going to turn around and face back to the north. I'm going to call the center real quick.
Okay. Well,
it's getting wrapped in rain.
Right?
Yeah, flip around. I can't even sit back in there. Probably even going to have to head a little bit further north. There's a large tornado wrapped back in that rain, and we can't see it, but it's moving in pretty fast, so. It just crossed the road down there. You can see it kind of back in the rain. Large tornado on the ground back there. Copy that. All we can see up here is rain. We're in some baseballs up here.
What did he say?
Meet him in Blackwell. Copy that. We're heading south on the 81 right now. Medic is right behind us. He's with us. And we'll be going east out of Medford.
Hi, Marcus. Good eye.
It's got a, looks pretty interesting.